Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of feeling like you're not making progress with your money? Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Then you've come to the right place, because in today's episode of Mastering Wealth, 8 Essential Rules for Financial Success, we'll be discussing how to make your money work for you. Are you familiar with the saying, savers are losers? The truth is, saving money alone won't make you wealthy. With astronomical inflation and absurdly low interest rates, your currency is being devalued. But don't worry, there's a better way. Investing is more crucial than ever, and it's a key to unlocking your financial success. Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't figure out how to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die." And it's true. If you rely solely on employment, there's only so much you can earn. But when you learn how to invest, you'll see your money work for you even while you're sleeping. The best part? You don't have to be an expert to start investing. You can start with assets like Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stocks, real estate, or even enterprises. And if you're worried about governments devaluing fiat currencies through inflation or quantitative easing, you can also invest in gold and silver as a hedge against that risk. So what are you waiting for? Start investing in your financial future today. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be the first to know when rule number 5, avoid bad debts, is available. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.